Hi guys, in today's video we'll be solving the question 2 of the 2018 Nov-Dec commerce theory questions. We'll begin with question 2a. A woman spent 1/6 of her monthly salary on foodstuffs, 1/3 on drugs, 1/4 on utility bills, and had 285 Ghana cedi left. Calculate her monthly salary. So let's begin with our solution. So we know that she spent 1/6 on foodstuffs, 1/3 on drugs, and 1/4. So her total expenses in terms of fraction will be equal to 1/6 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. And that will be equal to 3/4. Alright, so we know that the total fraction that we can have is 1. So we also know that total, or let's say maximum fraction is 1. So if the maximum fraction is 1, let's subtract the total expenses from the maximum fraction, and that will be our remaining fraction. So remaining fraction will be equal to 1 minus her total expenses, which is 3/4. And this should give us 1/4. Now what we are saying is that the remaining fraction is equivalent to the remaining amount. So then the total fraction will be equal to her total monthly salary. So if 1/4 is equivalent to 285 Ghana cedi, then 1 will be equivalent to what? And if more or less divides, so this will be equal to 1 all divided by 1/4 times 285.00. Now 1 divided by 1/4 is the same as 4/1 times 2850.00. So 285.00. Now when we multiply 4 by 285, we should get 1140.00. So therefore, her monthly salary is 1140.00 Ghana cedi. So this brings us to the end of question 2a. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments and questions in the comment section. So we'll be moving on to question 2b. So question 2b, in the diagram, the line WY is parallel to PR. Angle WXO is equal to 50 degrees. Reflex angle XOQ is equal to 280 degrees. And angle OQR is equal to V. Find the value of V. So first, let's draw an imaginary line which is parallel to WY and PR. So we have this. So this line is parallel to this and this. Now we know that alternating angles are equal, and this angle and this angle are alternating angles. So if this side is 50, this side will also be 50. Now we don't know this side, so let this side be x. But we know that angles at a point adds up to 360, and so the angle here should be 360. So we can say that 280 plus 50 plus x should be equal to 360. Now 280 plus 50, we have 330 plus x should be equal to 360. Now when we make x the subject, our x will be equal to 360 minus 330. So x will be equal to 30 degrees. So the angle here is 30 degrees. So we know our angle here is 50 and here is 30. Now this angle and angle V are co-interior angles, and we know that co-interior angles adds up to 180. So we can say that 30 degree plus V should be equal to 180. When we make V the subject, our V will be equal to 180 minus 30. And 180 minus 30 is 150. So our V will be equal to 150 degrees. This brings us to the end of question 2b. Now, in our next video, we'll be solving the question 3 of the 2018 Nov-Dec core mass theory questions.